In a real fire, every second counts. While this exercise is just a test, for these students, it's as real as it gets.
When you go in the building, they have it completely smoked out. You can't see. They pretty much teach you how to do everything from ladders to searching, forcible entry, all the good stuff that you would need to know to become a firefighter.
At Hocking College in Southeast Ohio, 43 students aged 14 to 18 are learning what it takes to become a firefighter before they even graduate high school. The week-long program gives students proper training before placing them into real-world scenarios with real equipment. They can cut open a car, extinguish a fire, or perform a search and rescue. Many students return each year, and some even go on to become instructors themselves.
We make it as real and as safe as we possibly can, and those that actually go on into the job, a lot of them credit what we do here as to why they continued into the fire service and EMS.
Volunteer firefighting numbers across Ohio have been dropping, placing rural communities at increased risk of limited fire protection. The program has been hosting students from Ohio and New Jersey since 2004 and hopes to increase those figures.
What we want to do is produce more firefighters. We want to help youth develop into firefighters. I've been on for 50 years, and one day my day is going to stop. And if we don't look for the youth to bring it up, then we're not doing our job as firefighters.
While the program is only 1 week in the heat, for many, it's a critical step towards helping their community.
I care very deeply about the future of the fire service, and if this is what I can do to bring back a little piece of my joy of the job to these kids, to maybe get them excited about being a fireman, that's what keeps me coming back year after year.